friends. This class, you need to pay attention to this problem I'm about solving now because it will change your orientation about stoichiometry. Let's solve the problem. Don't forget, I've solved some questions earlier in the previous video. Do well to go and watch it and share it. Look at JAM 1987 question 3. The number of molecules of carbon dioxide produced when 10.0 gram of calcium carbonate is treated with 0.2 dm cube of 1 molarity HCl in the equation. We have, this is the equation, it's already balanced, and these are the parameters, these are the options, and we have the relative atomic mass of the element, and we have the Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. So let's solve this question. When you fail to realize that we cannot have 3 parameters to solve in stoichiometry, you can only have one unknown and the other known, then you won't be able to solve this question. But there's an hidden fact in this question. What is the hidden fact? Number of molecules of carbon dioxide produced when 10.0 gram of calcium carbonate is treated with, anytime you see the word treated, it means that the compound did not participate in the chemical reaction. It's different from the word calcium carbonate dissolved in. Bottom line of this question is that anytime you see the word treated, it means the compound did not participate in the chemical reaction. So we neglect every information given in the question. So we go with the number of molecules of carbon dioxide. So we have carbon dioxide, that's the first information, and we have it in terms of number of molecules. We write number of molecules under it. The next one, we are given 0.2 dm cube of 1 molarity HCl. So we need HCl in the question, and we are given that in terms of number of moles. So let's go to the question and see the number of moles in the two compounds. So we have carbon dioxide, how many moles? 1 mole. You write 1 mole. HCl, how many moles? 2 moles. So now that you are given the 2 moles, carbon dioxide is in terms of number of molecules. So the number of molecules and the Avogadro's constant is 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. So we must multiply it by 1 mole. So we have 1 times 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 gives 2 moles of HCl. The moles of HCl in the question is still 2 moles. So how many moles we give 0.2 dm cube of 1 molarity HCl? So we have under this place now, we can then have 0. Don't forget that our number of moles is CV over 1000. Number of moles, since the question is given in dm cube, so we don't need 1000. We just say number of moles equals to CV, and that will give its concentration is 1, volume is 0.2, and the number of moles is 0.2 moles. So when we go back to the question, 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 gives 2 moles. Then in 0.2 mole we give X. That is what the question asks us to find. The number of molecules of CO2 produced. So this is molecules. So we say cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we have 2x equals to 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 times 0.2. So we divide both sides by 2. So we have 2x over 2. We have 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 times 0.2 over 2. So 2 cancels 2. Our x will be 2 here 1. 2 in 0.2, that's 0.1. From the law of indices, this one means 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. And when we use it to negate 23, that will give us 22. So that will give us 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 22 molecules. You can see how I've solved this question. The right option here is 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 22. That's C. You can see that this information I've shared now is very, very important. See how I've placed the question and how I've eliminated the word treated. Else, students will be confused and say, the question is not correct. See how I've analyzed it, not knowing that the examiner is only testing on our knowledge on treated and dissolved. In my next video, I'm going to give us a question where we see have 3 parameters where the word dissolve is used in the question. Stay tuned as you see my next video. Bye for now. Bye.